Good afternoon, children. Today I will explain about linked comprehension type questions. First, given one paragraph. After that, 6 problems are given here. So, based on that given information, we have to solve these MCQs. First one, first paragraph. Two flasks A and B have equal volumes. Two flasks are there. A and B. Volumes are same here. Volumes are same. A is maintained at 300 Kelvin. So A is maintained at 300 Kelvin. So T1 is given, that is 300 Kelvin. And B at 600 Kelvin. So T2 is equal to 600 Kelvin. While A contains H2 gas, in A hydrogen gas is filled. In B CH4 gas is filled. Assuming a ideal behavior, these two gases maintain ideal behavior. Ideal behavior. Okay, then answer the following. Check first one. Flasks containing greater number of molecules. Which flask contains greater number of molecules? Greater number of molecules is nothing but number of moles. Number of moles. First calculate the A. For A, actually PV is equal to nRT. So Na is equal to PV by RT. So PV means first one, P1, V1, RT1. Okay, P1 value, pressure is not mentioned here, so pressure is constant. Automatically pressure is also constant. Pressure is not mentioned here, so pressure is constant. Volume also constant, right? R is constant. T1 is 300. For NB, for second one, for calculation of number of moles, here also pressure, volume are constant, R is constant, temperature is 600 Kelvin. Now calculate Na by NB is equal to Na PV by R into 300 by NB is PV by R into 600. This value is reversed here. So PV by R into 300 into R into 600 by PV. PV cancelled. R cancelled. 300 ones are 300 twos are. This is equal to 2. It means Na is equal to 2NB. Na equal to 2NB. It means this is looks like 10 is equal to 2 into 5. 10 is equal to 2 into 5. So comparing 10 and 5, which is the greater value? 10 is greater than 5. Similarly, Na is greater than NB. Na is greater than NB means the number of moles of gas A, is greater than number of moles of gas B. Okay, Nana? Actually, in another way, we can calculate this one. That is, Na is equal to weight by molecular weight. In this problem, equal weights are also given. Weights are also equal. So weight is taken as x by A is hydrogen, then molecular weight is 2. NB is equal to weight is x and molecular weight of CH4 is 12 plus 4 16. Then Na by Nb is equal to Na x by 2 into Nb is over 16 by x So x cancel, 2 ones are 2, 8. This is equal to 8. Okay, na? This is the formula. This is the calculation for first one. Na is equal to 8 NB. So Na is greater than NB. Na is greater than NB. First one completed. Second problem. In this first paragraph, second problem. Actually, in the first problem, this last one is the correct answer. Last one is the correct answer, correct process. Okay. Second one. Which flask? Flask in which pressure is higher? Pressure is higher. Calculate the pressure. Calculate the which flask contains maximum highest pressure. Okay. What is the formula? PV is equal to nRT. Then P equal to nRT by V. Okay. For first one, PA equal to NA R into temperature is already given, that is 300, by volume is same in both cases V. But we know that Na value is x by weight by molecular weight 2 into R into 300 by V. PV is equal to NB into R into 600 by V. So NB is weight is both in both cases weight is same. So taken as x, molecular weight is 16 into R into 600 by V. Okay. Again calculate PA by PV. PA by PV is equal to, this is PA value, this is PV value. Just divide these two. Divide means V cancelled. V cancelled, R cancelled. Okay, first I will write once. X by 2 into R into 300 by V into, this value is reversal. Reversal means V by X by 16 into R into 600. So V cancelled, R cancelled, 300 ones are 300 twos are 2 ones are 2 eights. So x by 2 by x by 8. So x by 2 into 8 by x cancelled, 2 ones are 2 4. This is equal to 4. So PA is equal to 4 PV. It is very simple. PA is greater than PV. So pressure created by gas A is greater than the pressure created by gas B, because it is lighter gas, more diffusion is there, it is a heavier gas. One more explanation. Next one, fourth one. In this one, fourth one. Fourth one, flask in which the total kinetic energy is greater. Total kinetic energy is greater. Total kinetic energy formula. Total kinetic energy formula 3 by 2 nRT. 3 by 2 nRT. So for first one, that is KEA is equal to 3 by 2 NA into R into T is 300. Okay, 3 by 2 into Na is weight, x by molecular weight 2 into R into 300. KE, kinetic energy for the second one, B, for second one, 3 by 2, right I will write NB value is x by 16 into R into 600. Okay sir, again same procedure. KA by KB is equal to, first one 3 by 2 into x by 2 into R into 300 into, reverse the remaining values, 2 by 3 into 16 by x into 1 by R into 1 by 600. Okay, sir. 3 by 2, 2 by 3 cancelled. X cancelled. R cancelled. 300 1 z, 300 2 z, 2 1 z, 2 8 z, 2 1 z, 2 4 z. So this is also equal to 4. So KEA is equal to 4KEB. Okay. So in this case also KEA is greater than KEB. This is total kinetic energy calculation. For example, if he asked average. For second one, fifth one is given, that is greater molar kinetic energy. Greater molar means 1 molar. For 1 mole, for n is equal to 1 is there. N is equal to 1 is given in that one. So n is equal to 1 means this Na and Nb values are 1. So I think 300 by 600 is coming. 300 by 600 is 301 z, 302 z. Right? Next one. This one completed now. First one is completed. Second pair. 3 gases are given. Gases A, B, C. And A values are given 405.3, 1215.9, 607.95. B values are also given 0.027, 0.030, 0.032. Okay, 7th one is easy. Now I will explain 8th one. Which gas has the largest molecular volume? Which gas has the largest molecular volume? Largest molecular volume means largest molecular volume. Molecular volume means that volume of the gaseous molecules. Volume of the gaseous molecules. So very simple it is. That volume is completely depending upon the B, because if B value is more means that B value is nothing but excluded volume or extra volume, right? So here C 0.032, this is the highest value. This is the highest value here. 0.027, 0.030, 0.032. So in this case, if B value is more means that molecules occupying space is also more. So for 8th one, answer is C. 8th one answer is C. Because largest molecular volume means that is depending upon B. If B value increases, compressibility is also increases, means that molecular volume is also increases. Next, 9th one. Which gas has the most ideal behavior around STP? Most ideal behavior. Most ideal behavior means it is very interesting, because less molecular volume and less A means intermolecular forces, or simply that applying the high pressure. If the high pressure is required means that value is increases. P plus A by V square into V minus B is equal to RT for 1 mole of a gas. 1 mole of a gas. This B value is small means that molecular volume is small. Okay, so almost this is equal to the V. If B value decreases, this is almost equal to V. If applying pressure is very less is required, this P plus A by V square value is also equal to the P. Means less A value and less B values are required for the ideal gas behavior. So gas A shows ideal gas behavior in this paragraph. This one also completed. Next paragraph. For the given ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT. Okay, we know that ideal gas behavior follows the ideal gas equation. So PV is equal to nRT. Good. So PV is equal to nRT means first 10th one. In the above equation, the value of universal gas constant depends only upon this gas constant. Universal gas constant depends upon first one, the nature of the gas. No, it does not depend upon the nature of the gas. Pressure of the gas, no. Temperature of the gas, no. The units of measurement, just for R value, 8.314 joules mole inverse Kelvin inverse, or 8.314 into 10 to the power of 7 x joule inverse mole inverse, so joule mole inverse Kelvin inverse, or 0.0821 liter atmosphere mole inverse Kelvin inverse. Only depending upon the measurements are required for the calculation of R value. So answer is D. Answer is D. Next, 11th one. At constant temperature is kept constant, right? In a given mass of an ideal gas, actually constant temperature means it is a Boyle's law. So what is the correct relation here? The ratio of pressure and volume always remains constant. Ratio of pressure and volume is P by V. Actually, what is the Boyle's law? At constant temperature, V is directly proportional to the 1 by V. Means PV is equal to constant. But here, first one is given P by V is equal to constant. So it is wrong. Volume always remains constant. Wrong. Pressure always remains constant. Wrong. The product of pressure and volume. Product means multiplication. The product of pressure and volume always remains constant. So this is the correct answer. For 11th one, D is the correct answer. Right. 12th one is homework. 13th one. 13th problem. An ideal gas will have maximum density. Ideal gas will have maximum density. 4 options are given here. P is equal to 1 atmosphere. P is equal to 300 Kelvin. For B, P is equal to 2 atmosphere. P is equal to 150. For C, P is equal to 0.5 atmosphere. P is equal to 600 Kelvin. For D, P is equal to 1 atmosphere, P is equal to 500 Kelvin. Very good. Then how can we calculate the density? For density, what is the formula? For density, this type of symbol is also used. This type of symbol is also used. Remember all of it. This symbol is also used for the density. So D is equal to Pm by RT. We know that this formula. But here pressure and temperature is only given. Pressure value and temperature value. So M means molecular mass. Means same gas is taken here. So M is constant. R is also constant. Just based on P by T. Based on P by T, we can solve this problem. So what is the given one? Maximum density. In which case maximum density is present. Now first case P by T value is 1 by 300. In second case 2 by 150. In third case 0.5 by 600. In fourth case 1 by 500. Now calculate these four. Which value is higher? Very simple, that is 2 by 150 value is higher comparing with remaining 3 values. So answer is B for 13th one. Yes, remaining 2 paragraphs are very easy homework for you. Next one, matching column type. Matching column type. In this case, matching column 1, 2, 3. These 3 are easy. We know that how to solve. But in that in first one different graph is given. In first matching, one different graph is given. That is, I think you have one doubt for this one. These 2 graphs are same. These 2 graphs are same. In this graph, pressure is taken on x-axis, PV values are taken on y-axis. But here reverse one. So the graph representation also reverse. But both are same. It is correct representation because PV is always follows constant. So this value always constant. It never change with change in pressure or volume. Okay, right. Next one, fourth one. Fourth one. Fourth one. Match the items of columns 1 and 2. Right. A, B, C, D is given. A, bar, liter, mole inverse. Bar, liter, mole inverse. This is in the given one. This is the units of A comma B. We know values of A and value of B expressed in units. It gives the A by B value units. A by B value units. Second one. 2RT by m whole power 1 by 2. We know that this is root over. This is nothing but root over 2RT by m. Root over 2RT by m. Root over 2RT by m means I think this is most probable velocity. Most probable velocity. Most probable velocity. Right? So most probable velocity is given. Third one, Boyle's temperature. See, Boyle's temperature. What is the Boyle's temperature formula? A by RB. This is Boyle's temperature formula. TB is equal to A by RB. Okay. But the remaining two, mean free path, collision frequency, mean free path and collision frequency. Mean free path is inversely proportional to the pressure. Mean free path, actually these two concepts are belongs to the liquid state concept. Liquid state. Liquid state is not required in the 8th class. Okay, and it is also very easiest one. Collision frequency is directly proportional to the pressure. If pressure is applied more pressure, that molecules comes very close and collide to each other. So that's why it is called, if pressure is increases, collision frequency is also increases. Right? Collisions means that collision between the molecules, gaseous molecules. So for E, this is the answer. For mean free path is inverse. Remember this one only. For mean free path is inversely proportional to the pressure. Mean free path means that molecules movement. That movement is very comfortable in the case of low pressure. If pressure is low, mean free path is high. If pressure is low, that mean free path is high. If pressure is high, that molecules will come very close, that free path is difficult mean free path. Okay, so this is about these two relations. Mean free path is inversely proportional to the pressure, collision frequency is directly proportional to the square of the pressure. Right? Right. Next, fifth matching. Match the items of columns 1 and 2. A, co-volume, B, compressibility factor, C, work done, the units are given, D, 22.7 liter atmosphere, STP, and E, vapor pressure of liquid. First, co-volume. Co-volume means that extra volume is there. That volume, co-volume means that extra volume indicated by the Van der Waals constant B. So this option is given there. Second one, Z, compressibility factor. Compressibility factor is, we know that the formula, that is PV by nRT. Okay. And this third one, C, that is work done. Work done is given by the universal gas constant. R is equal to PV. Actually, PV is equal to nRT. That R is equal to PV by NT. This is equal to the work done. Means how much work is completed. It gives the information of how much work is completed. And next, D. D is actually 22.7 liters or 22.4 liters. This is the molar volume of ideal gas. Molar, 1 mole volume of an ideal gas. And last one, E, for E, that is vapor pressure of liquid. Vapor pressure of the liquid depends upon the temperature and nature of liquid. Temperature and nature of liquid. Vapor pressure means if you boil the liquid, it is converted into what? It is converted into vapor, and that vapor creates some pressure on the. If, for example, if you boil the water, cover that surface with any flank or anything. That one is dancing after some time because that gases create some pressure on the flank. Okay, so some gases are not vaporized. So depending upon the nature of the liquid and also temperature. If temperature increases, vapor pressure is also increases. This is also belongs to the liquid state concept. Okay, right. This is also completed. Next one. Match the items. Ninth one, Nana. Ninth one. In ninth one, A is attractive tendency dominate. Attractive tendency dominate. In case in B, boils temperature, that is TB, at high pressure. Third one, C, at low pressure and high temperature. D, critical point. Right. So for critical point, that is Z value is, we know that is 3/8. 3/8 means 0. We know that compressibility factor value. Compressibility factor value, that is 3/8. 3/8 means 8 3s are 24, 8 7 0.374 something. So for critical point, Z value is 3/8. It is very clear, right? Second one, boils temperature. Boils temperature in the high pressure. Actually, boils temperature, what is the one? Even real gas is also acts as a ideal gas. Real gas is also acts as a ideal gas. So we know that, but high pressure is maintained here. So high pressure is maintained means that value is. Now, once again I will check. Yes, B is R. Yes, Z greater than 1. Z greater than 1. Because high pressure is applied. So Z is greater than 1. Okay, remaining two you can easily solve. At very low pressure and C is low pressure and high temperature. That is Z is equal to 1. That is boils Z is equal to 1, Boyle's law conditions. These two are Boyle's law conditions. Attractive tendency dominates means Z is less than 1. Okay, Z is less than 1. Because Z is less than 1 means volume is less than 22.4. Less than 22.4 means attractive forces are there. That's why volume is decreases. Okay, this is about 9th one. So today, linked comprehensive type and matching type both you have to complete at home. Tomorrow I will explain multiple correct answer type questions, and in single correct answer type questions nearly I will explain first up to first 30. Okay, thank you very much.